pang tinola, pang nilaga, or pwede fresh kainin, and pwede din pwede i-blanch lang. Yan. Guys, o guwapa ka dyan guys. This is organic. Organic talaga to guys. Yan diba, pag may itinanim, may aanihin. Timing guys, timing this time. Malamig na panahon, then I will plant another vegetables dito guys after couple of days. Kunin na natin to kay munjag maguwang na. Sayang og maguwang. Ka-share man lang ta ginagmay guys atong mga colleagues. Closer tayo. And guys, ubusin na natin to guys. Ubusin na natin to. Anong naman to? Share natin to guys. Yung iba, hindi naman to maubos namin. Kasi yung kinuha namin at first guys, yung isang plot doon. Kinuha namin na maliit pa talaga. Guys, ito na harvest natin na pakatok. Diba? Isang palanggana. Thank you so much guys for watching.